Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect JBL Bar soundbar to Samsung TV. Quick method step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring both your JBL Bar soundbar and Samsung TV are turned off. Locate the HDMI port labeled ARC on your Samsung TV. Use a high-speed HDMI cable to connect the HDMI out port on the JBL Bar to the HDMI ARC port on your Samsung TV. If your soundbar does not have an HDMI port, you can use an optical audio cable instead. In that case, connect one end of the optical cable to the optical out port on your TV. Connect the other end to the optical in port on your JBL Bar soundbar. Next, turn on your Samsung TV and navigate to the Settings menu. Select Sound Options from the Settings menu. Choose Speaker Settings followed by Sound Output. If you used HDMI ARC, select your JBL Bar as the audio output. If you used an optical cable, choose the optical option as the audio output. Now, power on your JBL Bar soundbar. You should hear a notification sound confirming that the soundbar is connected. Adjust the volume level on your soundbar to suit your preferences. Test the sound by playing a video or audio on your Samsung TV. If you notice any audio delay or issues, return to the sound settings. Make sure any lip sync adjustments are set properly. Your JBL Bar soundbar should now be fully connected to your Samsung TV. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.